So it's like 6 a.m. right now and I'm creating this video on your demand, and actually in this video we'll see how you can get that Gemini Enterprise Edition for free. It is costing like $125 or like 10,850 rupees, something like this. And let me take you to my screen, but before taking you to the screen I want to say this is a very long journey. We are doing a lot of things. This is about startups, my life journey. Not just this trick, we will have many resources. You will have like a lot of value from this channel, so just you can subscribe, or if you're watching on Instagram you can follow. Thanks for watching, and let me take you to my computer screen. So here we are on the computer screen. So all the links given in this video will be provided in the description, so you can just go to the description, click on the links rather than going all the manual way like me. So you just have to open a browser. I'm opening Google Chrome, and then you have to search for like Gemini Enterprise offer, and after searching this you just have to scroll. Matlab, you are just going to click on the link, and then you are going to be redirected here. After coming here you just have to click on this button which says start the 30-day trial. After clicking on this button you are just going to be redirected to this page. Here you have to enter the work email. Work email can be any email. Like you can buy a domain and create the email with Cloudflare, and you can also get a free business email, and you can get a free business email by creating it from Google. And then you just have to write it here. Suppose I am giving one of my free emails, and after clicking it, it will ask for the OTP. So OTP will be here. Let us refresh. Okay, so here we have got the OTP. Just copy this, come here, paste this, click on verify. After clicking on verify, it will say signing in, and it will be redirected to this page. Here you will see like it is saying $25 per seat per month, and you have to come here, click on 5 seats, and you are going to see its total is literally zero. Its total is literally nothing. And if you try to just make it 6, then it is going to cost you. So just have 5 seats, and here you just have to select the country as India. After selecting the country, it will okay, just wait. Let us select the country to Indonesia. Maybe this is a server error, you can also get. So like you just have to select to India. So after selecting India, it will ask for the contact information. You just have to click here. Here you have to select the individual. This is Javia from XYZ area, and the city is XYZ, pin code is this, and Madhya Pradesh. Save. After saving this, maybe this will say okay, and then you have to click on the payment method. You have to click on here, pay by UPI QR code, and then you're going to get like 10,850 rupees worth of this thing for free. You just have to click on subscribe. When you are clicking on subscribe, click again on subscribe, and then a QR code will be pop up here. You can see after this QR code comes and just you do the payment, you're going to be redirected to, so you will be redirected to this page, and you can see here we have got the pro account, and like you can see here we have the options to create agents. Here we have the options to do notebook, Gemini Gemini notebook, and here you can create like the videos, and those videos will be up to 4K, and they will also not have the watermark, and everything will be just so great. Like that's it for this video, and like you will get this thing for free. So like if you will have some sort of value with this, if you wanna see our journey, just subscribe, just follow. Thanks for watching.